Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this video I would like to show you how I created this artwork. I really like to share it with you guys as this process is quite simple and interesting. I will put all the link in the description for all the asset I use in this project, and I will also walk you through the links in the video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with opening the Daz Studio, and then we will start working and loading the other parts. For this artwork, first let me share the content I am using. For the environment and props, I use this 3D photo scenes waves product for creating the look. For the model, I use Trowset 8, and this is a quite beautiful figure for Genesis 8, and good texture, everything. For adding some good effects, I use Iray render lights. These are fast production lights for Iray. It really gives some extra effect and realism to your character if you use this product. If you want, you can take a look into it. This is one of the good product I used for lighting part and render settings. For the wardrobe part, for the scene, I used Yacht String Bikini for Genesis 8 and Genesis 8.1 females. This is, I believe, also available for Genesis 9, but I am not 100% sure because I am not using Genesis 9 figures right now. It's too complicated and very less content available. So this is the product page, and all the details regarding the scene. I hope this is quite a wonderful wardrobe piece if you want to create some beautiful and erotic content. I will share the link in the description and you can check it out. Okay, let's start our work and see, and I will walk you how I created this artwork. Okay, now let's start with the process of setting up our model, and we will add hair, wardrobe to our model one by one. Okay, I forgot to mention the hair pack that I'm using. These are T4 Classic Wet Hair. I will drop a link in the description so that you can take a look. Now we will work on setting up our character and proceed with the other steps. Let's add the wardrobe. Let's choose the red color. Now I will do some, apply some shape presets, make our model a bit more natural. And for that I am using a shaping preset that is a little bit, bulky, voluminous figure. And let's find a pose for our use for our model. Doesn't need to be swimming only, because in our artwork it is just standing. So let's see which pose item we can use. This looks good. Now let's do some more changes. Now as this model is you know playing in water, so we need to make the skin. Perfect. Let's perform a small test render to see if everything is looking good. Wonderful. The effect is coming up. So till now all good. Now it's time to adjust render settings. So first apply this filter and then we will take a look and choose for the best or something that looks really good on this model. A little bit realistic and not too harsh. Now this I believe this looks better. Yeah, it seems to be perfect. I believe this is the one. Okay, now let's do some more settings and set our model. Let's do some final touch, set up our model, add some expression on it and see how it render out. Look, this looks like quite promising now. Let's add some smile. This looks perfect. One thing that I missed was applying some makeup. So let's apply some makeup and after that we will perform our render. Now this is looking good and quite beautiful. Now only part left is to simulate the hairs. After that our artwork is ready to render. So simulation started. Let's see. Wait. Now the simulation is done. Let's hit the render button and wait for our render to get completed. Which we will move into Photoshop to do some minor adjustments. It will take few minutes to complete the render. Perfect. Okay, so our perfect render is created. It is looking better and quite beautiful. Now let's go into Photoshop and do some tweaks and complete our work. Now it's time to export our work. Export it as a PNG and let's give it a name. So Beauty at the Beach looks perfect. We'll save it. And it's all done in Photoshop. So finally this is our final render. I hope you liked the workflow and I'm pretty sure you learned something from this. Thanks for watching and please like, subscribe and follow my channel. Share it with your friends and happy holidays.